Hello guys, Dodge Journey 2016. How to replace battery? I'll show you. Underbody. So how we can replace it? First things, we should remove tire and remove this cover. Then after that you can easily replace battery. To start. You see here guys, it's a battery. So what we can do, we should open this one, then these two wires disconnected. After that, disconnect both wires as you see here. There's another one. So what I will do, I will remove battery and put a new battery instead. And this is a new battery. Same size, but it's okay, it works. It's not too tall, not too short. So now I put this battery. That's all.